Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, believe it or not, but I just found the craziest Bitcoin signal I have personally seen in ages. I will talk about whether the next Bitcoin move is going to go towards the upside or towards the downside. I will include my specific price targets, but more importantly, I will tell you exactly my entry price, my exit price of my next up and coming trade today. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. I actually have an appointment with DaVinci J15. It's some kind of a goodbye lunch. So I'm making this video here quickly from my balcony. I want to push it out to you as fast as possible. I have here some kind of mobile studio set up just for you guys. I want to go here straight into the content. Give me this feedback if you want more of these videos, even though I'm only having like 30 minutes of time. If you want these short updates on the go, like this video, give this video a thumb up to a new all-time high, I don't know, 20,000 likes or so. Leave your favorite altcoins down below. But now I want to start here directly with the Bitcoin content, with the next up and coming move for Bitcoin, and with the signal I was actually teasing here in the beginning of the video. Next, we go over here into the charts for Bitcoin. So this is the 1 hourly candles for Bitcoin, and finally it is pattern season once again. You remember how I was talking about earlier about this ascending triangle here slash rising wedge, and well, no matter if you treated it as an ascending triangle or as a rising wedge, the upward sloping support was the same. We broke down and we hit perfectly the price target of this rising wedge. You know that I'm not shorting Bitcoin in a bull market, so of course I was standing on the sidelines waiting here. But for everyone who was going here into this short trade, congratulations to you. Now I'm always telling you, after the pattern is before the pattern, and just right now we are on the hourly candle forming this absolutely perfect symmetrical triangle. Before there was some doubt, is it an ascending triangle, is it a rising wedge? Well, this is with the 100% certainty a beautiful symmetrical triangle. We are touching here support and resistance multiple times, legitimizing it, and we are coming so close to the apex. This is the 1 hourly candles that the breakout is literally imminent. I have to push this video as fast as possible, and as you know, these symmetrical triangles, they are continuation patterns. Well, on the hourly we are here in a severe downtrend, so statistically the likelihood here is higher to break towards the downside. Actually 6 out of 10 cases at least this one should break towards the downside. So I want to tell you guys, we are not guessing, we are not playing the guessing game, starting a long or short position right now. We are waiting for the breakout. We are waiting for an hourly, better even a 4 hourly candle close above. An hourly candle should be enough here, a confirmation of the breakout or breakdown. If we are breaking down here, confirming the breakdown, then this would bring us all the way down, believe it or not, to the 41,000 US dollar level. I will talk about the bullish scenario as well, and also what I think where we are going to break out to. But first of all, let me go over to the 4 hourly candles and remind you on this beautiful amount of confluence we are actually having coming in here. So let me go over to the Fibonacci. And just a second, guys, and zoom out a little bit. So now we are taking the Fibonacci retracement level. I'm pulling it over here from the swing high. And now, guys, sit down, look at this, to the swing low. And you can basically see how not only this is coming very close here to our Fibonacci golden pocket we are having down there. But no, if I am going over, this is the confluence I'm talking about. I want to show it to you. This is the confluence I'm talking about. But more importantly, over on the daily candles, if I'm switching over to the daily candles here, zooming a little bit, then you can see if I pull out the EMA ribbons, look at this. I mean, this is the moment once again where you really cannot make it up, guys. If we are getting this breakdown, I personally think this is the last final shakedown we were waiting for, the last washout here on the market before we are reversing to the upside for good. Significant amount of confluence coming in here. But guys, this is not the only thing I want to be talking about. Stick here with me until the very end of that video, guys. Let me go over back onto the 1 hourly candles. Just a second. I'm diminishing here the ribbons and also this one here. So now of course we have also a bullish scenario. At least 4 out of 10 cases this one should break towards the upside. And if I'm pulling that over here, you can see that the breakout target would be, and please take profits way below the target. So this is the most bullish target I can take from the very beginning of the triangle would be 52,800. I would be rather taking profits at the 52,000 US dollar levels. And I wanted to tell you something, guys. Let me quickly go over here. I wanted to tell you something. I wanted to show you one specific chart, one chart which compares the current cycle right now with 2017. And if you are seeing this specific one, I want to show it to you here. Will I show it to you on the TV? Maybe. So this specific chart tells you actually there is no reason to freak out. In fact, everything what's happening right now is perfectly in alignment. What is to be expected? I want to show you this chart here. But before, very quickly, guys, I was talking about the trades. And guys, this is crazy. I just wanted to show you a few of these comments. This one was saying, thanks, man, make $250 on 250% on this trade. This one is saying, thanks, Chris, you are the man. I made 400% profits using your analysis. This one was saying, this is the first time on your channel and you've got the fastest person I've listened to with the most valuable packed info ever. Thank you. Good work, my brother. I mean, these comments made $13,000 in 17 days. You are the best, Chris. Thank you. It's crazy. This guy was making $972,000 within 3 months just because of our analysis. And it goes on and on like this. I have hundreds of comments. We are making millionaires on that channel. But of course, you have to be a cautious trader. You have to look out for the signals, for the confirmation. Otherwise, you are rushing into a trade too early. This is what makes the MMCrypto family so successful, because sometimes we don't mind to stand on the sidelines for a week or two. I'm standing on the sidelines here. I have six trades open, but I didn't open a new trade for quite some time. So I wanted to show you this specific data point here, which is showing us that we are perfectly on track. Stick here with me, guys. Stick here with me. But I wanted to remind you, if you want to be trading just as these other guys here over on Bybit, Phemex or so, I have put together very big bonuses here for you. $1,200, $1,180 down below in the comment section. If you click these links here, it's for limited time. You get, after your initial deposit, these bonuses here completely for free. Go down to the comment section and click these links right now. It is for limited time as an experienced trader. Also, make sure you watch out for this verification checkmark. Only the comments of MMCrypto with the verification checkmark are the legit comments. Every single other one is a scam. Please do not fall for scams here. So let me show you what I was waiting for a very, very long time to show you. This chart here, and here, big shout out, I will tell you the name very soon here. Xcavo was doing that. So he is comparing on the left hand side the cycle in 2017 to the cycle of year 2020-21. So what you can see here, let's focus on the left hand side, on the left bottom side here. The first dump down in the beginning of 2017 was actually 35%. The next one, 32%, 39%, 40%, 30, 24. So we had so big retracements between 25 and even 41% down. It's completely normal for a bull market. And what we are seeing right now, we are a little bit spoiled already. 21%, 17%, 32% in January, and now it's 24%. And people are telling me this is the end of the bull market. We just had 4 retracements, and in the last bull market we had 6. So there are at least 2 more to come, at least 2 more. So we are talking about at least 4 months more of upwards price action in that hopefully potentially super cycle. So what I am telling you here right now, even we are at 24% retracement already, even if we are, just quickly guys, even if we are going down to my bearish price target actually, which maybe is not even going to get hit at 40,000, 39, 41,000 $, that would bring us to a 31% retracement, the exact same retracement we had in January 2021, just a month ago, or even the exact same retracement we had 6-7 times in the year of 2017. This is absolutely normal. I wanted to urge you guys not to freak out. If you have your long-term holdings, hold them. We are perfectly on track. In fact, I am never going to sell my Bitcoin. This is the truth actually. I'm just selling for living, for rent, for food, but anything else, I'm not selling them. I'm not freaking selling them, guys. So this is really what I wanted to tell you. Of course, we have this trading setup. We have this crazy signal flashing right now, and the breakout is imminent within the next 12 to 15 hours or so. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button towards the new all-time high. Your love is truly appreciated, guys. I just showed you these comments. I mean, I could go on like for ages. I mean, I have so many of these beautiful comments. Been making $5,000 in every $1,000 I invested in a space of 1 week. I turned $5,000 into $140,000, longing the bull market, following by MMCrypto, legendary trade of the $9,400 level. This is absolutely beautiful. I know that many of you guys didn't get this legendary trade, but I'm telling you the next legendary trades. And I'm personally, for example, if we are hitting the $41,000 price level, I am going to long a limit long from the specific level. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.